then my
blessing will be with you.
no,
But where are you sleeping, Mama?
I'm
At Waranda.
I'm doing the duty along with the Popat Bhai as a Gurkha. Outside, inside the gate, just inside the gate. So I am just nearby to the Popat Bhai.
But what about insects?
Insects and
Insects is getting afraid from me. If insects will come to my for blood, no,
Ah.
they will die.
Blood is so poisonous.
In Domboli also, insects is
and Kaka, why don't you take khatla?
I am insect.
Is over there.
I have no interest in khatla.
No interest.
If it is a provisional spare, then only I am interested. I don't want to fight. Give me. Like that.
But
If it is spare,
but
I am ready.
the god will notch you, no?
Dagar is also. I am dagar proof. Dagar machhar proof. Dagar proof.
Insect proof.
Now don't waste my
Kaka,
time.
Kaka, last question. What you said to beloved parents of
No, don't worry. You get sleep, and I am calling them, and they will believe. They will
follow
respect-
your
They
instruction?
will follow my instruction.
Okay.
Come on. Now. Let us
Let us hurry up.
let us
Mama,
dissolve.
one more question.
Because sometimes I am not getting the proper word, so I am using this.
Mama, when are you giving Sanket chadar?
Chadar, sal, bachko.
It is just outside the gate.
Veranda. Outside.
Out of three, he can choose anyone. Whatever he
All
likes.
three are
he can
insects free. Insects free.
choose. It is Chadar is incest, no, man is incest. That is incest. ચલો
Okay, Kaka. Nice to talk.
પેલી પકડી
તું જ છે એક પેલી.
Mama.
ત્યાંથી પકડો
ચલો
Mama,
ચલો હા.
few concluding words on Hardik.
He is getting booth.
ભૂત
Booth
આવે
only.
ભૂત આવે એમ બી.
Next year I am coming to Salanpur for
Removing booth.
Booth.
Okay, Kaka. Let's move.
Let's go. આ કોનો ખાટલો છે પહેલો?
પહેલો કલ્પિતનો,
બીજો?
સંકેતનો,
ત્રીજો?
ધવલનો. એ તો છે જ બાય ડિફોલ્ટ.
Tractor.
આ કાકીનો હતો પણ કાકી ઉઠી ગયા.
Her blood is so tasteful for the mosquito.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Thank you, Mama, for entertaining us. You are welcome tomorrow.
Don't consider me as a joker. I am also as wise as you all of.
Jinal. હું આવું છું.